morning. We're at the side of the Calder and Hebble navigation. We've come to have a look at what remains of a railway line, which once took coal away from Hartley Bank Colliery. Once employing 560 men, the colliery was located here. After its closure in 1968, the shafts were filled in and the upper seams were open casted. There is absolutely nothing remaining. The land is now turned over to farming. The deeper seams were laid to work by nearby Denby Grange Colliery, itself closing in 1991. It produced mainly power station coal, which was loaded onto barges at this staith. A short railway branch connected the mine to the Lancashire and Yorkshire Calder Valley main line. The remains of the Canal Bridge are still here. On this map, the mine is at the bottom. The line crossed the canal straight onto a short embankment before crossing the River Calder. Until recently, a footpath went alongside the embankment. The land is being redeveloped, so a gap has been nibbled through and a new footpath laid along the other side. Part of the embankment has been removed to make this path, which does give us a chance to see how it's constructed. Looks very much like colliery spoil. This will soon become overgrown, unless of course it's removed as part of the redevelopment. We can see the track bed level just to our right. We soon come to the bridge over the River Calder. This is looking towards Dewsbury. The final part of the track bed turns slightly to the west. Back to our little map, a number of sorting sidings were here, and the connection with the main line. This is the remains of a bridge, the main line being just up to the right behind the fence. Once again, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.